Welcome, today in front of me Realme 9 and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from auto power button on this device. So let's first just try this feature, and now we can see that the Google Assistant is turned off here from our double press the power button. Now just to activate it, we should click here to the settings application, and after that we can here, for example, enter the Google Assistant, and here click to the wake Google Assistant with power button and to activate this feature. And now when we'll just hold the power button, we can see that the Google Assistant is activated. If you want to turn off this feature, we can again go here back into the settings, but don't use the search, just scroll here to the system settings, and here we'll see this way Google Assistant with power button feature. To turn it off, we should also click here on this feature once, and now we can see that when I'm using the power button, the Google Assistant feature is turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.